Earth's gravity isn't uniform. If Earth were a perfect sphere, its gravitational field would be the same everywhere. But in reality, the planet's surface is bumpy, and water flow, ice drift and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all change the pull of gravity. These variations are known as gravity anomalies. A mountain range such as the Himalayas causes a positive gravity anomaly. Gravity is stronger there than it would be on a featureless, perfectly smooth planet. Conversely, the presence of ocean trenches, or dips in the land caused by glaciers millennia ago, leads to negative gravity anomalies. NASA's GRACE, Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment, mission, orbiting above us, is mapping Earth's gravitational field in unprecedented detail. In the past, sea levels were very different. The most recent advance of ice on planet Earth began about 70,000 years ago, ended 11,500 years ago and reached its farthest extent 18,000 years ago. During this time, glaciers and sheets of ice carved out the basins of the Great Lakes and blocked rivers, diverting the courses of the Mississippi and other rivers in the U.S. So much water was trapped as ice that sea levels dropped by as much as 120 meters, 390 feet, exposing parts of what is now the ocean floor. Earth's sea level has also been up to 70 meters, 230 feet, higher in the past. During the last interglacial period, the sea was actually 5 to 7 meters, 16 to 23 feet, higher than it is today. Our sun has a voracious appetite. All stars, like our sun, age and eventually die. As the sun exhausts its supply of hydrogen, it will collapse under gravity, ultimately ballooning into a red giant that is 100 times bigger and 2,000 times more luminous, vaporizing Earth in the process. But don't worry, it won't happen for about 5 billion years. One option is to leave the planet before this happens, but that would require as yet unimagined technology and a habitable destination. The Moon is not Earth's only companion. There are two other bodies orbiting near Earth that are sometimes referred to as moons, though they are not strictly worthy of the title. Discovered in 1986, 3753 Cruithne is an asteroid that actually orbits the Sun. Since it takes the same amount of time to orbit the Sun as Earth, it looks as if Cruithne is following our planet. Its orbit, when seen from the perspective of Earth, appears bean-shaped. Asteroid 2002 AA29 also orbits the Sun once a year, following a more bizarre horseshoe-shaped path that brings it close to Earth, within about 5.9 million kilometers or 3.7 million miles, every 95 years. The calm before the storm. It's not just an old wives' tale. Under the right conditions, the calm before the storm really does exist. As a storm draws in warm, moist air, its fuel from the surrounding atmosphere, it leaves a low-pressure area behind. Air is carried up into the storm cloud, and some of it is forced upwards by powerful drafts. These updrafts remove the hot air and push it out over the sides of the highest storm clouds, which can be up to 16 kilometers, 10 miles, high. As the air then descends, it becomes warmer and drier and therefore more stable. It blankets the region below and stabilizes the air contained within, causing people within that region to notice a calm before the storm.
That's all for now. See you again next time on Fun Facts TV.
If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing facts like this. Thank you.